Hi, I'm Anupam Jain. I'm a web developer with over a decade and a half of experience. I've also been working with functional programming technologies for over a decade. Around 10 years ago, when I released my first Haskell library for web development, there weren't a lot of libraries for that, and there wasn't a lot of ecosystem around it as well. In fact, I never thought that functional programming would ever become mainstream. Even though it's a very old technology, it's like it came out in the 60s. It still hadn't caught on to real world programs. I'm very excited with all the changes that are happening in the functional programming world. Now it's become much easier to develop high performing, good web applications. So the web, as we know, is the biggest and the most important platform for applications. Functional programming is something that can help you build web applications which are resilient, which are scalable, and do so in less time than other conventional technologies. So functional programming is something that will also give you developer velocity. It will keep your developers happy. And it's also something that's really coming up and touching all aspects of development, not just web development. A lot of mainstream languages have adopted functional programming as a paradigm. For example, languages on the JVM. Java is obviously the dominant one, and Java has adopted functional programming features like lambdas and streams and pattern matching, things like that. So there are all these different ecosystems that were earlier not oriented towards functional programming and that are now adopting functional programming because that's where the industry as a whole is going.